Yeah, so we're inside right now here. Let's check out this Kia Sorento from the inside. Alright, let's start it. Put the button on here. And let's start the engine. Alright, engine started, lights are gone. So everything looks just fine. Okay, let's try to accelerate, listen to the engine, and see the RPM meter movements here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Check it out from the bottom here. Perfect. Brakes also work very well. Okay, let's check it out from here. There's a missing part here. You can apply it yourself if you have an extra piece for it. This one can easily be fixed. Just stick it in here, but it's not here. Someone took it, I don't know who. And we got a screen over here. Alright, let's try to check out the AC. Increase the fan speed. AC on. Air is blowing. It's not so strong though. Let's change the mood. Alright, now it's strong. Can you feel the wind here? Can you hear the sound of the wind? It's coming out cold and strong. Okay. So this one is working. Let's see what they have here. It's a touch. You got navigation. You can use the navigation here. Alright. As you can see here, it's working. No problem at all. It doesn't have a rear camera. There's no camera. Button reverse, but no camera. There's no camera. Alright, what else can we check here? Windows. Let's check out the windows. They work just fine. This side also works just fine. Check out this side. Also work perfectly. And this side is also working just fine. We got also a sunroof, by the way. It has a sunroof. Let's check out the sunroof. You can tilt first. Just open like this. Or fully open it. Okay, let's close it. It's closed now. Let's check out the seats. Seats are also clean. So yeah, I think we've checked everything here, and that's it.